I'm sitting on my floor right now in front of my desk chair because I just wanted to make a little video of this Magic Mail unboxing. I don't know what to say about it other than I have some very awesome friends and they love me and they wanted to send me cool stuff. So, yeah. So here it is. There's 3 packages here. I no clue absolutely at all what's in them. It's a surprise. So, let's start with this one. Well, let's start with this one. I'm hoping that the shakiness of the camera isn't insufficient enough for viewing. So, oh my lord. Oh, wow. This is excellent. So, this first book, The Greater and Lesser Keys of Solomon the King, is a book I do not own, not in physical form anyway, and this edition is gorgeous. I have some PDFs of some occult books that are really very difficult to read on my Kindle, so I'm very happy to have this. Oh, I'm gonna probably get like super cryy through this video, so don't mind me. I always get cryy when I get presents because I don't know, it just happens. So, okay, so The Greater and Lesser Keys of Solomon. Awesome edition. It's so pretty. Oh my lord. Okay. Next box. I'm gonna cut myself doing this. This should be interesting for you guys to watch. Okay. Oh my god. Oh geez. Oh god, the flash is killing it. Gems from the Equinox by Aleister Crowley. Selected by Israel Regardie, who was his secretary for a while, and who I respect very much as a writer. Oh. Wow. Holy cow, guys. This is giant. I don't even have words for how gorgeous this is. This book is huge. Huge. I love the Equinox. I love reading Calls to Aether. They're so beautiful. Oh. Okay. Holy cow. Oh, this is like magical library to the nth degree. I can't even, I don't even know. I don't even know what to say right now. I'm just gonna be dumb and stupid, so I'll just keep my mouth shut. Oh. Oh no. Oh my god. Holy cow. Jesus, I can't believe this. I don't... This is the entire book 4 by Aleister Crowley. It contains Magic Theory and Practice, books on Thelema, his books on mysticism. This is like, holy shit. I can't even tell you how fucking stunning this is. Oh my god. I'm really gonna cry. It's huge. It's giant. Wow. Oh. Oh my lordy, lordy, lordy. Full color illustrations of the Stellia revealing. Printing of the Book of the Law. Oh, the mimeographs of the Book of the Law. Oh. Oh, holy cow. Wow. Tables. We all know how much I love tables. Oh, Liber Reguli. Oh my good God. Oh. These are all of the thalamic rituals. Star Ruby, Greater and Lesser, Rituals of the Pentagram, Gnostic Mass. Oh my good God. I cannot wait to go through this. This is insanity. Oh my God, I'm so excited. Okay, so, oh look. This is Liber Resh Vel Helios, which I perform 4 times a day, which I adore, but this has got some more information. Wow, oh my God, this is so good. So good. Okay, I don't know what else to say. I'm gonna go scream and cry now. But thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed it.